pronom personnel aji e adjective uji e anglais. Ko adi fof jiyen pronom sujet. Donc so tawi ko singulier o aɗa jogui I, min, you, an, he, she, it, kanko, he gorko, she debbo, it kulle walla hunde kala ko ala fittandu. Tawi ko pluriel o we, minen, you, onon, they, kamɓe. Pluriel woni ko ɓuri neɗɗo goto. We, minen, you, onon, they, kamɓe. Donc pluriel woni ko ɓuri neɗɗo goto. Yimɓe ɗiɗo tato fewi dow ɗum woni plural. Exemple yeruji. Donc dokken yeruji men. I am going, mboɗo yaha. I am going, mboɗo yaha. You are doing, aɗa waɗa. You are doing, aɗa waɗa. He did it, o waɗino ɗum. He did it. She is eating, omo nyama. Omo nyama. She is eating, kanko debbo omo nyama. She is eating, omo nyama, kanko debbo. It is walking, omo liggo hunde nde. Par exemple puccu omo liggo. We are waiting, emin pada. We, emin pada. We are waiting, emin pada. You did your job. You did your job. On badino liggey mon. On badino liggey mon. You did your job. On badino liggey mon. Donc onon on badino. Donc did o ko passé men gartu hen. They gave me the money. Ɓe totti kam, ɓe tottino kam kalis o. Gave ɗo ko verbe give woni tottude. Money woni kalis, mi woni min. They kamɓe ɓe tottino kam kalis o. Ɓe tottino kam kalis o. They gave me the money. Ɓe tottino kam kalis o. They gave me the money. Object pronouns. Object pronouns, c'est-à-dire objet tawi ko singulier o me, kam, you, ma, he, she, it, mo, ɗum. Donc ko ɗum woni singulier o. Me, you, he, she, it. Me, min, you, an, he, she, it, mo, ɗum. Donc ɗo so tawi koko fewte singulier toujours e pronoji meɗen. Me, you, he, she, it. He gorko, she debbo, it hunde nde. Hunde nde ɗum woni singulier pronoji singulier ko fewte pronoji meɗen. Donc pronoji singulier me, you, he gorko o, she debbo o, it hunde nde. Singulier ji meɗen so tawi ko fewte pronoji men. Donc garen e pluriel. As, amen, min, you, on, they, e toujours koye pronom pluriel. As, amen, min, you, onon, they, ɓe. Donc garen e yeruji tan ha ɗum ɓura labtude. Donc yeruji exemple sa ƴewtidima noon exemple anglais ko a ƴettata. Ina serte français so tawi ko français exemple ko e ƴettata. Donc so tawi anglais ko a. Again, father gave me money. Father gave me money. Baba tottino kam kalis. Baba tottino kam, tottinomi kalis. Father, baba, gave me, donc ummi koye verbe give woni tottude, me, min, money, kalis. Baba tottinomi kalis. Father, baba, gave, tottino, me, min, kalis. Mother talked to you. Mother, nene, talked, talk, donc haaldi no e ma. Mother talked to you. Nene haaldi no e ma. Donc ɗo toujours ko sa ƴeewtidima temps o ko passé. Talked ed o hollirta koye passé waɗa, ko ça dire koko ɓenni. Mother talked to you. Nene haaldino e ma. Talked to you, haaldi no e ma. Mother, nene, talked, haaldi to you e ma. Mother talked to you. Nene haaldi no e ma. C'est-à-dire koko ɓenni. Mother talked to you. Nene haaldi no e ma. I am working with him. I am working with him. Sa ƴewtidima dañƴa ko I am plus verbe et ing pour hollirde action woni koye wadde. Mboɗo liggido e makko. Mboɗo liggido e makko. I am working with him. Mboɗo, I am working with him. Mboɗo liggido e makko, c'est à dire gonmi koye liggidade e makko. Donc ɗo action o woni koye wadde, gasani taw action o woni koye wadde. I denounced her. Donc sa ƴeewtidima toujours ma yiɗo ed pour hollirde ko passé. I denounced her. Mi kalmisimo. She did it. O toujours ko passé, koko verbe irrégulier. O waɗi ɗum. O waɗino ɗum. She did it. O waɗino ɗum. She did it. O waɗino ɗum. They called us. Toujours koye passé. They called us. Ɓe noddi no min. Ɓe noddi no min. They called us. Ɓe noddi no min. Donc action koko ɓenni. They called us. Us o min. She called us. O noddi no min. She called us. O noddi no min. Kanko debbo. She. O noddi no min. I brought you. Mi nawino on. Mi nawino on. Toujours passé. Donc ɗo verbe o ko verbe bring, addude. Bring woni addude. I brought you. Mi nawino on. I brought you. Mi nawino on. I brought you. Mi nawino on. They helped them. Toujours ko passé. They helped them. Ɓe mballinoɓe. Ɓe mballinoɓe. They helped them. Ɓe mballinoɓe. Ɓe mballinoɓe. They helped them. Ɓe mballinoɓe. They helped them. Ɓe mballinoɓe. Donc help sa ɓeydi hen ed wontata ko passé. Ko ɗum ɗo woni pronom sujet et pronom objet. So tawi wonka famani aɗa wawi woppude namdal ma e commentaire uji ha ɓuura labde inchallah.